Today is Inktober day 6 and the prompt is golden. So I am unbelievably still going with my daily videos and with my daily sketches. Today I thought, the first thing I thought about golden is like a winner, like a competition or something like that. The next thing I thought was golden retriever, it's a dog. Then I thought, how can I squish these two ideas together? And we ended up with this. So this, what is it? Well, of course, it's some dog agility. How else can you combine dogs and competition? Well, there's a few ways, I suppose, but it just so happens that I have a few little references of dog agility, and I'm going to show you them in the form of videos. So you can pause this video at any screen, at any frame, and if you want to join in, you too can sketch along with some dog agility. You can see I'm starting off with a very fine liner today. This is 0.1mm fine liner, and all I'm doing is sketching very rough shapes. You can see Betty here, the dog in question, looks a bit like a pig in the middle, a bit like a very small, maybe a muntjac deer on the left. But if we just start really light, getting these kind of shapes, the kind of overlapping shapes, she's in different poses, the shapes of the equipment, what you'll find is it's a very quick and loose way to be able to come back. And when you come back, you will of course be able to add bolder lines. And with bolder lines, you'll be able to re-evaluate the sketch, restructure the sketch. And that's exactly what we're going to do here. So I'm already basically halfway through my sketch. And now I'm just going to come back and make things bolder where they've worked. Now, I'm not pretending that these are going to be perfect little dogs. Dogs are something I will be doing a tutorial about soon at the end of Inktober probably. And I'll probably include some scenes like this as well. Probably done a lot better than this. But this is about having fun in Inktober. And I hope you agree that the idea of a dog, the idea of dog agility is here. Just by getting a really simple version of a head, sort of turning it into a triangle. You can see that much clearer on the golden retriever on the top left, getting an idea of their legs, getting an idea of just the different kind of body shapes. So here in the back we've got Betty sprinting, we've got Betty at the top just going over the top of the A-frame, we've got her in mid-leap, and that's all just through changing the position of the body shape, changing the position of the tail and the legs, and it's as simple as that. Then I thought I'd add some background, so I was later on behind the A-frame as we were sort of doing a bit of work on how to get her to keep her feet in contact with the A-frame as long as possible. So I thought I'll add me in there holding my phone, add a little bit of sort of context to sketch. But basically, I think this is a quite effective, really fun version of the scene. I've never sketched something like this before, so it's really fun just to have a little explore, playing at the end just to make it a bit more interesting. Things like contrast and texture always make it more interesting. And there you go. That is my hashtag gold, going for gold, maybe sometime in the future, for Inktober. So thank you everyone for watching my little sketching videos. If you enjoy my content, please do subscribe to my channel because it makes me really, really happy. Thanks again.